this na back of Pentagon. This na a one vibrant community where don't be tackled by one land grabber named Derick Toronka. He don't come, he don't broke people them houses and in say he get 38 acres of land. And we there today for show people them and for show the world how Derick Toronka don't create uncircumstanced situation within Pentagon. Even though the courts we don't get a ruling, but you don't follow the ruling, you don't follow the laws of the land. He take it upon himself because he feels he get power, he feels he incapable of doing things. So when I don't see the family them, this is a place where people them they live. People that don't live here for a couple of how many years, and up to now the place is silent. And we get schools them around and picking them away and then I not they feel comfortable again because of one great man where in say now he get the power, now he get the threats, now he get 38 acres of land. People and then a Pentagon community we don't suffer from mudslide, we don't suffer from Ebola, we don't suffer from coronavirus. And up till now they suffer from one great person we named Derick Toronka. Yeah, be known for a vibrant community, a peaceful home. For thousands of people, but look today behind me. People in houses they don't vandalize. People they don't get shelter. People they don't get things where they go able to boastful. Pentagon are a vulnerable community. So we as community stakeholders then we they cry. Government see the reality. Let Papa government know say Pentagon are a peaceful home. Then they don't can do the drone. They don't can do the shooting where government don't spend boku money. And up till now, the Ministry of Lands and other body they not come up with the result. They only don't show you the drone result. And for that they can't do the demarcation. And up till now, they not can do the demarcation. And people and they out there, then they cry. One great person think of that. He say get 38 acres of land. You know. I can call the PRO. Mr. Baka, can't tell people more. What's in the Toronka they do now with community? Which really, really bad. People in a Pentagon really vulnerable. And this not the case. This not so we supposed to live as a country. Where one great man, they can say and get a whole community, which is really, really ridiculous. Chairman?
You know, for add to what the secretary don't say, it's rather unfortunate because this community is a very peaceful community. You know, when this saga happened, we decide for form a committee for control the youth them for make them not go into the rampage because it has been like a normal situation wherein after 2-3 days police they come vandalize and go back, come vandalize and go back. So we see and say this not be good for the community. So we decide for form we committee where at the head. And fortunately for we, the LUC na Lombly intervene swiftly when I call for a dialogue. And we will always continuously appreciate intervention. Because when he intervene at that time, we end up for sit down and discuss. And now, just like what we check to just say, this issue, government don't intervene, Ministry of Lands, they on top of the situation. They don't conduct a drone survey where it take up to 2 months for the report they come out, where we shall don't see the imagery of the report. But now for let them decide down the two stakeholders and land the two landowners then for let them sit down and agree on the boundaries. The boundaries of that imagery day. So then I don't take a whole lot of time, you know. So waiting more we now we end up for do this recording. Not that we don't say the ministry there on the job, but now the fact that this morning or the early afternoon, a truck full of OSD there come up here, come begin vandalize, then go inside one mommy in place. We not get nothing for do with this, what I call. According to them, they say they come for can evict the mommy. And where this process where they on, so they don't put a stay on all court order until the ministry then come out with their findings. So this time peaceful off is like then they try for push the community to a situation wherein we go on the rampage. We don't want to do that because we are a peaceful community. So this message will pass on to the government and to the Ministry of Lands, especially for letting hasten on the demarcation of this land dispute.
So as you can see back of me, let's take on one of the other atrocity where the Sama Toronka don't cause within the community. This wants to be known as one of the vibrant place known as the Mansare compound. The Toronka don't come. The Toronka don't come. It don't come vandalize people them. It don't come broke houses them. And people them they live here comfortably. Them they live here comfortably with no harm, with no problem. And up till now, the people their lives they don't become so miserable. People then they cry for their daily bread. And one great man in say now you get the entire community. As you scroll down, you see views of people them. People are there in this area. The community know they okay. How this can be? Now so we go live as a nation where one great man, as you can scroll down, the one great person there, Sama Toronka say now you get the entire Pentagon. So this is really frustrating. How we go live as a country where one great person they take advantage of several people them. Within this community, we get more than 18,000 people them. Like I can say, people that don't suffer from coronavirus now, people that don't suffer from Ebola, people that don't suffer from mudslide, we take a lot of people and lives them. And up to now, the community not get peace. And the Toronka don't stand as a cancan within the Pentagon say, if you not take the 38 acre, it's not the code. And today, an unfortunate situation also occur. We are in where say, get the land and take police them from different zones them for come evict people them. As you can see, this is one of the atrocity the Toronka don't cause. They don't broke people them, host them, people them live them there in this area. And this now one of the people them where they are the community where then don't they cry, then don't want for let them speak out the truth. So this is really getting frustrating as you can scroll around and you can notice it. Francis, now one of the a young community person at the community, where them back be affected directly by the Sama Toronka in immense depreciation towards the community. You can tell people them what happened, Francis.
Okay. Good afternoon, people. I mean, as a citizen of Sierra Leone, not a foreigner, I get it with citizen of document of Sierra Leone. Me, this man already talk as a Derick, cannot be one day in Sierra Leone. Or see, I get conscious of though yes, I don't be staying present in Kamayama, but in now. I don't stay in Kamayama now. So right now, God look at me, what don't be now as a Sierra Leone, as a community, as a family. Derick, Toronka, Inka na Kamayama say he get 38 acres for long they take go Pentagon. But the one who can meet as a Pentagon Kamayama, they said Derick no get 38 acres na Kamayama. That he come, he don't can destroy all the property na Kamayama ya Pentagon and Kamayama. So but I just aware, I just talk and back say, let government me I plan me get. I want let government ask the who say in banana 38 acres, whose government we banana land it to. May the intervamba, may the axa. Let it show the government we say get 38 acres as a Sierra Leone now. Where incumbent they back, they go want that land there for develop. It don't let you get 38 acres, and no plant potato leaf, and no plant cassava leaf there, and no plant pan body there. It not even put one single host day. They don't let come the all by the land, don't peel. It don't can disturb by now. Me like a mission now, I know if you get money for that develop your own place. Look to how by land to Masari. Now your own place with maps. They put in my own totally take handle. So we want you the truth of government. So what you want now, we know the first government, we know the first Derick, because you know they will twin now, in the out. It is same police and power with the poor property, the between the community. We know the first thing. But to the end, we are happy back to government, let government first for we and arrest Derick for we. So property we don't pay, they go all property money. You understand?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
As now they see,
Okay, we're going to talk.
this now one party hosting this way
the Mr. Derick Campwell. We call police them for can't destroy and spoil this entire house. Now you see the place. This is now one of the house them. Where you come and pray. Come this law can get one of the eyewitness them. Where did they where they can go to the house. Where did the place? You see? This is the house than this. This is the house. So we dey go for the meeting now. We like the community get meeting. So we go for the meeting back. Make we go away from the community people. So at the go for now.
The car on back.
Yes, as we go for car on back where the meeting start because the community get meeting. We can know more details about
Why they talk? Why you don't do the first thing you are doing? The people of Pentagon, you are a killer. Derick is a killer. Derick is not killing the people of Pentagon. We are tired. We are tired. We can't. Pentagon, we are tired. We say no more. No more to intimidation. No more to protecting. We are tired with everything. Pentagon, we are tired.
Go before. Go after. Go by push of line.
So we are tired. As you see, the people of Pentagon have vet a lot of frustration. They are tired with the breaking of houses. They are tired with the demolition. They are tired with everything. But we dey live in a country where not get justice again. Who say one great man go come vandalize the whole community? But we wait till we are not tired. We tired of police harassment. We tired of demolition.
So now you see, these are the people of Pentagon community. As they don't tire, they say one grey man with the England. Then they can claim say, and get the entire Pentagon community, which consists of 38-acre land. Where some people they don't build the houses, they don't burn them, business they go on there. Now, police they come broke houses them, they can't destroy people properties them. As we in a Pentagon community now, as we carry away from the community stakeholders them, waiting in the canton. So, community stakeholders.
Yeah, we are tired with the people of Pentagon. Enough is enough. So we tired with any police harassment, demolition of people, come harass we see stadium, even if they want for rape themselves. So some of us sister they don't run at this community, not in this community again because they don't set here on them because of the one for rape them. So Papa government they cry to you. we don't tire about this harassment, police harassment, soldier harassment. We don't depend this day, one lost to brother and but the harassment here, only God nine help we. So if it's today back again, they don't come for the harassment of our government to all the result to you, with the people of Pentagon, for you go help with the people there. We pass over 1,000 at this community there. We get people in our way, no day on work again, we no day on payroll again. People there whether we don't and they raise up their resources in this community. When they not start again about work. So we they feel angry about them people there and not get one piece of mind in this community. So Papa government will they cry to you. Since we know say yes, Papa government, you don't put hand on this, but once he says something they turn around. They want to take we on the way as well, we self not go agree, Papa government. So we the people of Pentagon will tell with this harassment here. So if this talk they go to Papa government, we want let government put hand for we heavily with the people of Pentagon. Thank you.
Okay,
Basically, the people of Pentagon don't tire. We don't tire of the broke house. We don't tire of the demolition. We don't tire for CCW community. Always police they come in, police they come out. So today we the people of Pentagon decide for called all the community stakeholders, people within the community for get an emergency meeting. This meeting now for resonate towards the people of Pentagon, how then they feel. Because we don't tire with everything where they go on. People that know they sleep at night, when they see police, they go harass them, come on a door. When they see police, they vandalize people, them houses them. When they see they talk every now and then, they send thugs. For can intimidate the people of Pentagon. So we don't tire. So with Shaman Mano, Samura, they can give the people of Pentagon the rundown of we activities them and what we for do as a community. And we want to tell the people of Pentagon plenty thank you for the fights where they don't stand with we, for everything where they don't do at this half hour. And today, like New Year, we don't want to come in the following 2025 with the same issue again. So we the people of Pentagon say we waiting. We are tired. We the people of Pentagon say we waiting. We tired. We the people of Pentagon will say waiting. We tired. So that's why you say you touch one. You touch one. You touch one. So we will now we give a big thanks to Chairman Mano because he gave plenty people concerning.
I want to tell you thank you because this meeting will call for an impromptu meeting because of what happened this morning or this early afternoon. It was around 11 or so, where we see truckload of police, then come, then go inside Mami Bondu in compound, BB compound like that. Now a very long drive for go inside it. Then go ask the woman, say the woman, if you know the woman for parking things there with in tenant, then for park come out. When then they surprised me because as we all know, we the plan for giving an update on how we don't pass from where this land survey issue come up. Now, we have been know a couple of months back when they do a drone survey under rain, we all been there. No, so we patient. After that survey day, it was around August or so. We patient wait with ministry there, then go do the report. It takes them something like 2 months for the other reports they come out. Now last month, that report they finally come out. The drone survey, the imagery we see them, where they send to the 2 landowners there, the disputed landowners there. They send them to them. So then for them meet with the ministry now for agree on a date and time for can do demarcation. Now then they will be in the wait for. So rudely this afternoon, we see truckload of police then come, well armed. They say they will go evict Mrs. Bondu, well now we own community member. And then they we don't come out that face me. Because when this report come out, when ministry intervene, they don't put a stay or they don't stop all court order. They make them categorically clear to we. So we wonder why the police for come begin to intimidate post community members there. na this community. The land issue is there with the ministry for handle. So police no get no right for come with troops and for come begin to intimidate people there. So this thing we concern. Now then we call this meeting for explain to us. Say this thing happened today. You understand? But fortunately, we will continuously tell LUC Vandy now Lombly, thank you. Because they come intervene, now income coil down the situation now. He called the so-called ASP Saidu Kanu when I come with his troop there. We'll let them move and go back to the station. And we follow them go to the station. But the point here is this is complete intimidation. Then and they will spend so for talk to we youth them because we youth them for go on rapid. Then and they will for dinner with family host them, they organize we business there as tomorrow holiday. Why they not choose no that they pass today? This is a complete intimidation. So now this now want for make known to the government, say then don't they push me to the wall. And waterman, however weak you be, when they push you to the wall, you get reaction. You therefore reach your reaction point. And we don't want that to happen now with community. So they pass this message on to our government. They pass this message on to the Ministry of Lands for letting them speed up and can do the demarcation. Because they say justice delay is justice denied. This delay, whether they delay this thing, and they give Derick Toronka the urge, the infantry for send troops in Canada, because apparently they tell Derick then they command the police force. As he say, hey, they move. That is very sad, you know, because as video day will confirm, say the person will come, the ASP will come. He on the phone, he called Derick, then he called Derick and sister. There is a video on that. Yeah, there is a video on that. You see, we're very sad. There is a video on that. So now this week will call on her for local update on her because when this thing happens, not on all we know. But me on last word, and for talk to her again, then we continue for keep the peace. You understand? That we there with una, we go make sure say this issue get in deserved justice. Yeah? So I mean, yeah, because other things are there for discuss, but that one and they will not go discuss them on camera. Okay.
To addition towards that, the Toronka, as the chairman, they say, they are the chairman for the crisis management for this community. It's over 40 years now. People don't spend all their resources there, so some man work, they don't retire, pensioners. They don't can build the houses in the so. And this day, Toronka, you don't even get a single Pampodina so even a stone say na inget and yaso. But all the time, they don't carry to community with police them. The last time they came with 4 top armed men from Bagazi. This Kanu man, when the Bagazi, when an inspector, when he said any charge for all the OSC for deploy them. He pull somebody in a house, a woman, a widow. He evicted a house. He put the man and policeman inside the house. Now, the woman don't come in his community, don't want to go. He go to the schools and they speak to the community center. Can you imagine? Now the Bella woman right now, they're not born at the community again. They're going to go Lombly and Aberdeen. Because the community people, they're afraid because of the policeman at the side there. They come out in the school picking them. Of course, the school picking them, they can use a short road from going to the school. Then they go right round because they're afraid to say the gunman is around you. They don't come, the ministry don't carry the ground. They don't get a drone. They don't do surveying. They don't do surveying. We don't see what CS. These 2 land layers when they get, they don't overlap at all. They never get they don't meet at the common point. But there's a buffer zone. But 2-acre buffer zone between 2 property there so. But still we can see the penetrate power we say that because of the power. And the Toronka in England, they erupted in so in a member of SAPP that they live in hotel. And they put the image of the government. Yes, the Toronka in a family. They say they get 38 acres of land and no more land in the Pentagon, but the houses there. It's over 300 to 400 houses there. 18,000 people they live in the community also. But thank God to President Bio when he stepped in. But still, they say they come back again for camp put boundary. But up to now, we don't see them. Any police, any soldier, police, when they see the penetrate, we can't beat people there, we can't torment people there. Imagine, say the 31st for 2025. Remember now, for it. They cannot say people will come to their houses then. Imagine, could you imagine? So they call out all Sierra Leoneans. We love Sierra Leone. We are no more, we don't want to foreigner, we don't want to foreigner. We are born Sierra Leone, we are citizens of this country also. Now so born, now so can put a born we. We're not going to say for go. Now so day. Make government see the one person they say, they get the whole community can't advantage power. We will not agree. And if I saw the federal start for make people born this entire side of the border. And I tell government, especially Madam Bio, we listen to me now. Please, President Bio, we are angry, we are mad, we seriously mad. We're not going to afraid no more. They don't care if Papa, now a military man. Who's about to Papa, a military man who want to work for this government, I work for Sierra Leone. They fight for Sierra Leone. If they don't care if Papa see the other side, make it go there. Not to Pentagon for fasting. We must not take place there, so people don't die. The most lie. Could you imagine how many people die there? So, President Bio, you can't see the community, the vulnerable community. You can't see, you see. So, please, sir, you don't get tax to the Ministry of Lands. But they still make a delay for the business because of money, corruption. Now, corruption, they still they send money for the ministry and the police. They carry the ground for 50 people. So, please, sir, we need help still on the ground. If you get the call to make a Pentagon, would they secure you security? Will they secure you, sir? Please come on the ground, sir. We need you on the ground. President Bio. Now you know, Daddy. You know nobody for cry to you again. Now you for cast this situation once and for all. So thank you very much, sir.
Okay, can they are still here. Yeah, I just make an addendum. This one, I just thank you to tell the government of Sierra Leone, by extension, the Ministry of Lands, the police, for the spontaneous nature where they act, where this land issue they so today. One go say why I tell the government thank you, and the police thank you, and His Excellency the President Julius Maada Bio thank you. You know why I make I tell and thank you the President personally? The day all this issue happen, President be there London. He heard this thing one time, now give instruction to the ministry. He say this issue for salvage immediately. And what did the ministry do? They listen to the command of the president, then come instantly and they can send a drone. The people then, as I can tell now, the drone don't really spell out who side the two land and they lock clap for the president. Because this issue don't there for past 40 years now. Yeah. Mr. Derick said I ain't get here, the Jibao said I didn't get. But now the drone don't can show we, even 10-year Peking will tell we who side Jibao in land there and who side Derick in land there. So do ya. And again, the current executive within Naya will stand on this issue. Let God bless with your man, Mr. Mano. Let God bless Mr. Mano. Let God bless him back. We're not clap for her. This issue on the past 20 to 25 years. Now with the intervention, with the LUC Vandy, we don't get really sanity and peace in this community. But we surprised today again, for now see a police come with a truck, say the guy evict one woman in place where they call Bondu. Will all be dead. For the one you know the empirical evidence and the footage, we will also give now what the police find dead today. But thank God, Mr. Vandy called we. He can't come with them. As we call him one time, he come the LUC alumni, and he can't tell we say
they don't put on hold to all land issue and future until after the holiday. And then no say Pentagon issue, inshallah, it don't solve. If that not the case, we also talk to the president again. Do your part. As you don't start the good work, they done the good work for we. Let the ministry come. Then they can demarcate who start the land day. We don't see the thing clearly, very glaring. For see who start the buffer zone day, who start Derick gets, and who start Jibao gets. Now they tell me I pick it like later. Tell me I pick it like able for can substantiate that factory. So if you are rich, we can at the meeting today with the action on that people there, we tell you una always come, thank you and we are ready for defending our land at all costs. Also, una grab. We are defending for our land at all costs. Also, we are Sierra Leone and also, what's not within England? It is so far the one within and also, this country also. So we then now for defend the land by God in power. We tell the president, let us promote in government.
So one will take this opportunity for tell President Leo plenty thank you, because where this issue be there at stake, instructs the Ministry of Lands, and which they can do diligently, and the people of this community were so amazed, and then tell the president plenty thank you, because he spent lots of money for let and give people them out there for let them can do diligent work on the ground. So the ministry then become then do the work. But waiting with the cry no more back to His Excellency, let them expedite the process. They don't try as hard as possible, but let them pull out the report where don't differentiate Derick in space and we don't differentiate the Juba family. And inside the report, there's a clear demarcation of survey where we can call buffer zone. When at 200 and 300 feet, we're not there within the Pentagon jurisdiction. We're not there within the Pentagon area or parameters, in fact. But this guy, we still they use force, use money, or can evict people then because he thinks the law, in there above the law. And we believe that the president will get in thoughts and feet, say nobody know they above the law in this country. We guide by the 1991 Constitution and we dey call for justice. We don't tire, we don't gaze, we don't fed up. So we dey ask the ministry, being that His Excellency don't say, let them give the report, why the Ministry of Lands they delay? Why they delay now for give the demarcation? So we then at Pentagon, we dey wait until they then come, then forcefully evict people them back. Where we talk because we believe say this country, we want peace. But let everybody waiting at this country get the peace where they deserve. Let everybody there waiting at Pentagon let live happily because Pentagon don't go through mudslide, Pentagon don't go through Corona, Pentagon don't go through Ebola. And this again, anti-land grabbing, we not go take them again. Enough is enough. Now make you can see the people them. Them back don't enough say they want waiting, they want justice and they don't waiting. And they're waiting.
We want justice, don't tire.
And we are waiting.
We want justice, don't tire.
So the people they don't tire. We want waiting.
We want justice.
We want waiting.
We want justice.
We want waiting.
We want justice.
So we want justice now in community. Enough is enough. Our government, Our Excellency Dr. Fatima Bio, we dey cry to you. We the people of Pentagon want peace, we want justice. We don't guess with everything. We don't guess with police brutalization. We don't guess with Derick intimidation. People that they don't suffer and then go through a lot of trauma, and the community they are stake and till they back then can use them force for pull people in their houses them. And we they speak for justice. And we don't wait in, we don't. We want waiting.
Justice.
We want justice. So if I can stop here, I will tell the government plenty.
Justice delay.
Justice denied.
Justice delay.
Justice denied.
Justice delay.
Justice denied.
Ready to talk?
Yeah, the woman, the one for talk.
A student at the Pentagon community as they say one man with name Derick Sama, with the England, he want forcefully take the land at the end. So, as we can talk to one of the people then, with them be broken out. So,
government. Papa government who want for beg you because the Pentagon community we don't take part this struggle. It's about 5 months this now we dey part this. We don't tire because like we saw they can't invent in our place. Work with place, poor with property then. As you can see right now, we're homeless. We not get side for sleep. That day where they come for camp work with place, where they come for camp in victory, then take with property then, thief with money. We be there do like me, I be there do business. They take all me money and no I go because when they come, they don't notice we. They don't notice we. They just stand on they say una come on. So it was surprising to we. They can in victory, work with place, poor with property there, and some of we not get money. And up to now, we not able to make a place we homeless. Thing for it, you know, easy. So with the beg Papa government, we they beg you, we need your help for cancer to be free from this community. Not easy. Because for long get sleep self payment, not easy. We don't under threat. Government and then at the area, they threat TV. When they pass self, we don't under threat. We don't get peace. Why we for this so? We're not citizens of this country. We need peace. We need peace. We need sanity. So Papa God, dear, we they beg you. We need your help. We they cry unto you. We need your help. Can't set we free. Dear, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So I can know from one of the people where they be broken houses. So you see, we get tried for come to. And this is the oldest man of the community. It's a power month.
Yes, pa. Yes, pa. Do you have got Papa government? Fabio, now me they talk to you. Now me na pass Suleiman bedroom. We don't dey here past 30 years. Now this man they can't tell we say now he get here. What he go so say now he get here? Where pan body where he caretaker? Who say he been there where he get here? Then he talk say back, him buy na for make farm. Do ya una send and go up like now and go get a place for make farm. You are not to farm place. Where this now you go not say now turn this now. Even the police when they come, they can fire there, they can fire winner also. When they come, they say, hey, they don't say that's so the place that's so the place there. They say let me feel say na both so na boost. They say the police they say when they conquer they give that to 2 acre. So now that they come police winner, they want pull winner for second they one grade. We don't go agree. We don't go agree. If you not kill, that go kill we now, but we don't go agree. So
today, for one of the areas then, we don't take first start here in the community, as a student and the one day, summer coma, where the England went here to come take over 38 acre land and people in. Where some play on there for 30 years, some play on there for 25 years, some play on there for 10 years. So now somebody come to the end of this. So now somebody come to the end of this live broadcast as Spina Unity Broadcasting. As we continue to follow this story, here, now somebody come to an end. So let's team up and talk with a man. Now it's in a placard up.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
Look at the people of Pentagon community as they need justice for one. You see one Derick, one day summer where the England wants to come take the land in the